One time, go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just showing you my blowout routine, so just like roughly what I do to blow dry my hair. This is my final blowout of the year. This year I've kind of experimented with heat a bit, like here and there, but my goal for 2019 is not use heat for the whole year and just see what happens to my hair. Yeah, so this routine can be like switched up, and I try to like use products that can be changed easily, if you get what I mean. So if you don't have this specific product, I'll suggest something else that I've used in the past or that I use normally that I don't have, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have an amazing 2019. And yeah, let's get straight into it. By the way, I'm wearing a dashiki because this time last year I was in Ghana and I just missed the motherland.